I love you like the ocean, deeper than is wide. I love you like the fire that burns me hard into the night. I love you like the tempest raging hard against my soul. I love you like the storm inside I no longer control. I love you like the rain that's flooding streets inside my heart. I love you like the pain of star-crossed lovers when they part. I love you like the wind that has ripped my sails apart. I love you, like it's written in the stars. I love you like the stranger who will never see your flaws. I love you like the wager I must win when all is lost. I love you like the knife that cut through bone and sinew. I love you like the scab that's the only proof of wound.